This is a story about pirates and object-oriented programming. This is Sam. He is in a prison cell. But why is he here? Everything started so great. Sam finally made his wish come true, and after finishing his study as a programmer, he went on a boat trip to the Caribbean Ocean. But what is that? A storm is coming his way. Sam's little boat is no match for these waves. The boat capsizes and Sam falls in the sea. He swims for his life and washes up at a lonely island. Sam starts looking for his missing shoe. At least I'm safe, he thinks. Safe? He has no idea. Sam is on Nassau, the infamous pirate island in the Caribbean. Sam keeps walking and suddenly 3 pirates jump out of the bushes and capture him. They bring him to Captain Harry. Sam is put in a cage and the captain tells him they will send a ransom note to Amsterdam. Pirates go on a mission, they capture the loot and start fighting when they get back. He will put Sam on the deserted Dragon Island tomorrow. Sam gets really scared. Sam is thinking, does he want to create a program for pirates and risk making them angry? Sounds like they have a deal. They shake hands on it and Sam will start working on the system. So, dear student, you already guessed it. You will play the role of Sam and build a loot-sharing system for the pirates. The object-oriental parrot has just returned from a mission. Sam executes the code. That works. He is not happy and threatens to take Sam's other shoe away if he does not fix this. Wait, look at the share of 4 Finger Fritz. 0 ducats? That cannot be right. Sam needs to fix this fast and I bet you already spotted the problem in the code. But fragile code or not, the program did its job and all the pirates are happy. Sam looks at the code and thinks about what needs to happen when pirates come and go.